In this episode, we are leaving Culebra and going to St. Thomas, US Virgin Islands. This is another start of a new chapter in our journey. Like any other destination so far, it is our first time to go to St. Thomas.
Naomi's in training, leaving the anchorage.
It's going to be a short trip compared to our typical journey. Easy morning, anchor up after morning coffee.
And now we are in Caribbean. Everything is closed. You see that big island on the horizon? That's St. Thomas. Practically 24 miles. It's all about day trips now. They sail easy. We decide we're not gonna skip Culebrita since we have Mirtillo and Mirtillito, so there's Culebra and Culebrita, so we just decide that we're gonna see Culebrita as well.
We decided to stop here for a short break and try snorkeling. It was actually our first time to try it since we had left Florida. Martin is already way out there snorkeling and looking for some fish.
Weather was fantastic, and I tried to do some spear fishing, but I didn't have any luck. But anyway, that was a nice afternoon stop, and then we continued to St. Thomas.
It was so much fun and was incredible. After taking the sun, I felt I needed a nap. Such an easy day, no problem. By the time I woke up, St. Thomas was right ahead of us.
Well, almost at St. Thomas. It was very easy. This was one of the easiest crossings. Other days it's supposed to be a rough area. Well, I can imagine why, because it opened from Atlantic and the plateau edge is not that far. Today we're very lucky, very easy, very easy. Except that we have to motor. It'll be nicer if we get a little bit windy and we can sail. But perfect doesn't exist, so we like it this way. Oh my, what a beautiful. Yeah. That's how we eat when the sea is calm. We just approach Virgin Islands. Very first of them, Virgin Island, US Virgin Island, St. Thomas.
We've come a very long way from Florida to Bahamas to Turks and Caicos to Puerto Rico to right here.
That's it. And over there, still Puerto Rico. You can see Puerto Rico on the horizon.
After 5 hours and 30 minutes, including the short stop at Culebrita, we arrived in the capital of St. Thomas, Charlotte Amalie.
Going to shore.
Never been in St. Thomas before, so we're about to make the first step.
Right on the main square.
We talked to girls from the band and found out that the carnival was happening that week.
Warm up.
Wow, what a chance! It will be interesting. Next day, we took a dinghy ride to Hassel Island for a hike. It's a national park in Charlotte Amalie's harbor. were comfortably tired after the hike, so we went back to the boat. Well, carnival. Music just got louder and louder, and it went all night long. We were going to leave for St. John first in the morning, but we saw people going to town by dinghy early morning, so we also went to see what was happening.
When the music truck pass, the get away the back water. I don't know. That's what I'm saying.
We didn't know. We just happened to arrive in St. Thomas during the week of carnival. Today is Thursday, and apparently this carnival is going to go on until Saturday, and it gets wilder and wilder. And when we arrived here on Tuesday, we saw the beginning of it, and yeah, that was already pretty wild. Well, it was a lifetime experience, and we are so happy that we checked it out.
Take a shelter in National Park now.
Yeah, so we're moving on. A couple of hours later, we cast it off to the next destination. How was St. Thomas?
St. Thomas was interesting. It's a crazy party island, at least this week. It's the most populated island we've been so far. And well, the carnival was way much bigger than I thought it could be. It was only the number 3, and it was already starting up for morning. I guess we're gonna escape to National Park.
Yeah.
We're leaving St. Thomas and going to next door neighbor St. John, and we're gonna be anchoring tonight at Great Cruise Bay. Distance to go is 9 miles. No big deal. Midday, easy.
I like that.
Easy, so easy it's boring.
Turns out, we saw a beautiful secluded place on the way called Christmas Cove, so we decided to spend that evening. We will show you what happened in the next episode. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy our video, please hit like, share, and leave us a comment. If you can subscribe to our channel, we would really love that. See you soon!